everybody, it's Santos from BMW of Myrtle Beach. If you ever need customer support from within your vehicle, you can contact BMW directly by going through a couple of steps here. Let's go to your applications and your vehicle apps, and let's switch over to Personal Assistant, and then scroll over to BMW Assistance. You can see here that now we can, with a click, you can call BMW Customer Support. It gives you your VIN information, which can be used by customer support to do some troubleshooting remotely of your vehicle's performance. Thank you for watching our video today. Please submit any comments or questions below. Give us a like and subscribe to our channel. And as always, we'd love to see you here at our dealership, BMW of Myrtle Beach.